Avoiding risk in the cryptocurrency space is crucial due to the volatility and complexity of digital assets. Here's a comprehensive guide to help you manage and mitigate risks when dealing with cryptocurrencies. 1. Educate yourself, understand blockchain technology, learn the basics of blockchain and how different cryptocurrencies work, stay informed, keep up with news and trends in the crypto space. Follow reputable sources and experts. 2. Diversify your portfolio, avoid putting all eggs in one basket, spread your investments across different cryptocurrencies to minimize risk. Include stable assets, consider stable coins or other low volatility assets as part of your strategy. 3. Use reputable exchanges. Choose well-known platforms, opt for exchanges with a strong reputation, security measures, and positive reviews. Check security features, look for exchanges that offer features like two-factor authentication, 2FA, and cold storage. 4. Implement strong security practices, use hardware wallets, store your cryptocurrencies in hardware wallets rather than on exchanges for better security. Enable 2FA, use two-factor authentication on your accounts to add an extra layer of protection. Beware of phishing scams, be cautious of phishing attempts and always verify website URLs and email addresses. 5. Understand market volatility, expect fluctuations. Cryptocurrency prices can be highly volatile. Be prepared for significant ups and downs. Set realistic goals, define your investment goals and strategies based on your risk tolerance and financial situation. 6. Conduct thorough research, analyze projects, research the fundamentals of the cryptocurrencies you invest in, including the team, technology, and use case. Beware of hype, avoid investments based solely on hype or speculative predictions. 7. Have an exit strategy, set limits, decide in advance when to take profits or cut losses. Use stop-loss orders if available, plan for different scenarios, be prepared for various market conditions and have a clear exit strategy. 8. Be wary of scams and fraud, avoid unverified opportunities, be cautious of offers that seem too good to be true or promise guaranteed returns. Verify information, research and verify the legitimacy of any project or investment opportunity. 9. Keep records and monitor investments, track transactions, maintain detailed records of all your crypto transactions for tax and personal tracking, regular reviews, periodically review and adjust your portfolio based on market conditions and personal goals. 10. Stay compliant with regulations, understand legal requirements, familiarize yourself with the regulations regarding cryptocurrencies in your country, report taxes, ensure you comply with tax regulations and report any gains or losses as required by law. By following these guidelines, you can better manage and mitigate risks associated with cryptocurrency investments. Always remember that investing in crypto involves a significant level of risk, and it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. Please don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to Blockchain Network for more updates.